Hi everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. In this MDF with yellow background, I'm going to dot with red. Let's get started. I'll start with dotting in the center. I'll keep lumpy dots now. I'll make these dots into swipes now. I'll work the dots. I'll keep some red dots now. I'll keep some dots now. I'll work the dots now. I'll work the dots again. I'll keep some dots now. I'll keep smaller dots now. I'll work the dots now. I'll keep side swipes now. I'll work the dots again. I'll keep some bigger dots now. Now I'll keep smaller dots. I'll work the dots now. I'll work the dots another layer. I think this yellow-red combination also came out really well. Thank you for watching this video.